In a forest lived a cute little monkey. He would jump around on all the trees in the forest and move from one tree to another. He loved eating mangoes very much. Then, mischievously, he started throwing the remaining mangoes into the river. Just then, a crocodile came out of the nearby river. He said angrily, "Hey monkey, who threw a mango at me?" The crocodile was very upset, looking at the mango stuck on his head. "I didn't throw the mango on purpose. Please forgive me." Crocodile ate the mango and said, "It's so sweet." Crocodile ate the mango and said, "Is really so sweet. Let's become friends." And just like that, the monkey and the crocodile became good friends. Then both of them started having fun together, and slowly their friendship grew even deeper.
This is the best day ever!
One day, both of them were walking along a muddy path, having fun, when the monkey's feet slowly began to get stuck in the soft mud. The crocodile supported him by holding his hand, and later pulled him out using a rope. Suddenly, a huge mud monster emerged from the soft mud, and the crocodile and the monkey became frightened. They tried to defeat the monster. They are trying to beat the monster with bamboo stick. They succeeded and started running toward the river bank. There, the monkey climbed onto the crocodile, and together they escaped through the river. They sighed with relief, and then the monkey began riding on the crocodile. Soon, the monkey's home appeared. He climbed up the tree, and the crocodile said, "Thank you."
Thank you for your friendship.
Welcome! Bye-bye! See you soon!
Thanks for watching Kids Yarn TV. Kindly likes and subscribes.